Hi friends, if you want to create a multi-vendor website using WooCommerce and WordPress CMS and that too with an auction target, this video is for you. Simply, if you want to make a website for auction and e-commerce activities with multi-vendor facility, this video is for you. So in this video I have a great WordPress theme and it is actually made for auctions and related website. This is called iBid. iBid is a multi-vendor WordPress theme and it is multi-vendor auctions WooCommerce theme, you can simply say, and it has been developed by Model Theme. The theme was developed in 2019 and regular updates for this theme is also being done. As the heading indicates, it has all the great facility for auctions, e-commerce activities, multi-vendor and all associated facilities using WooCommerce and WordPress. It has a compatibility with Ultimate Auction Free plugin, Ultimate Auction Pro plugin, and even it supports the government surplus auctions, automobile and all such things. And the theme is compatible with the latest version of WooCommerce, that is WooCommerce 5.21x version, and also it is compatible to the latest version of WordPress. And the theme is naturally, since it has been made for multi-vendor, it is supporting the multi-vendor marketplace plugins like Dokkan, WCMP, WC Vendors and WCFM. So all these great plugins are well supported to the iBid WordPress theme. And if we talk about the demo website, this is one of the demo website that has a very stunning look of e-commerce and it is presenting a e-commerce website in a very modern look, and there are multiple pre-made websites available with the iBid WooCommerce multi-vendor WordPress theme, and it covers generally the automotive auctions, antique and collectibles, numismatics. I have seen this category very first time in the WordPress theme category. This is numismatics. It is basically the science of collecting coins. So if you want to make a unique website on numismatics, it is exactly a theme for you. Art auctions is available here, real estate auctions, countdown auctions, shop no auctions, books, comics, fundraising, machinery and many more. So I am going to add the link of all these things in a form of a single link given in the description of this video, where you can get this theme, choose a hosting plan with pre-installed iBid WordPress theme so that you may start building your website immediately, and you can know more about the iBid by following the link along with the theme pack you can get there. Okay, so I was just showing one or three more demos. This is another demo. This is for automotive using iBid WordPress theme, and this theme is dedicatedly made for bidding. So auctions and bidding is the target. And again, this is another website. This is for antiques collection, and we can review one more. This is for machinery. So in this video we are going to install the iBid WordPress theme. We will import the demo content to make a pre-made website like any of these. We will preview the theme options, customization options and basic options what is available with the iBid WordPress theme. So objective of this video is very simple, to let you know, to take you an overview of the iBid WordPress theme so that your buying decision of theme and choosing your theme for WordPress website goes easy, and you may clearly decide what you are going to have with this theme or any other theme. So complete channel is made for this purpose. So without any further delay, we can start the installation of iBid WordPress theme. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and it is running the latest WordPress default theme 2021 and latest version. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack, demo data has been given for all the demos, so it is very great thing that demo data and the XML and JSON file format has been given for all the premium websites, so you can use these files for importing the demo content if we are going to do this manually. So it is great. Documentation is here, licensing, and some plugins have been supplied like Visual Composer, Model Theme Framework, and Model Theme Compatibility Text, so RTL compatibility, freelancer mode, Revolution slider, and WooCommerce simple auctions. So plugins has also been supplied in the theme pack. You can simply conclude. Similarly, the main theme file and the child theme file, as obvious, it is here, and we are going to use all files as required for this installation purpose. To install the theme, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the ibid.zip file. This is the installable file name, so don't get confused. Don't upload the complete folder. This is a common and silly mistake being done by the people. So you have to upload only ibid.zip file, which is laying under the theme folder of the theme pack. So choose the correct file, and if you are having direct access on your hosting, you can upload the same file in WP content themes folder. This is being the directory, and I am uploading the same directly to my file manager, and you can use the file manager of control panel, cpanel, or FTP, or you can use the WordPress interface for uploading the theme. Both the activities are same, and I just wanted to show you the theme file size. This is why I am uploading the theme pack using the file manager of cpanel, and here I have chosen the ibid.zip, and the theme file size is really amazing. This is just only 2.17 MB in size, so it is an indication of greatly, nicely, wisely optimized WordPress theme. It has very lightweight inside, so this is why it is working very fast on the website. So this is the beauty, and the gift of speed is here, and if your website is loading fast on the web, it is going to be successful. This is the key of success nowadays. So even Google is saying for core vitals and all such things, if your website is loading fast and it is mobile friendly and handheld device friendly, Google is going to emphasize giving additional privilege to those websites that are loading fast and having the core vitals very good stage. So this is, in this theme you are going to get this advantage again. So now we are back on this screen, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we then go back and extract the uploaded file. The extraction outcome is this ibid folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one, we have already extracted it. Come to the theme section of WordPress again, and we have ibid as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is ibid version 3.3. It is a multi-vendor auctions WordPress WooCommerce theme. We can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to use the complete feature of this theme. We have to install certain plugins. Let us check what is the list. So these six plugins have been marked as required, and the model theme framework that is made by the developer itself is given in the from the external source Redux frame. It is being used at the theme. The framework is Redux. It is a great framework. Of course, Revolution Slider is coming from external source, WP Bakery Page Builder and WooCommerce. These are the required plugins along with the WooCommerce Simple Auction. So these are the list of required plugins, and rest plugins are recommended. So it is written in the light mode that WP Bakery Page Builder is active, and in order to activate this plugin you have to disable. So we can use only one page builder simply. Either we can use the WP Bakery Page Builder, or we can use the Elementor. So depending on the selection of pre-made website which you are going to choose. So I must tell you, websites are available in pre-made websites are available in Elementor and WP Bakery, both page builder formats, and some websites are available only in WP Bakery page builder. So you have to choose, and what you need to choose you have to decide at your own. And if you are choosing the Elementor based theme, you can use Elementor. If you are choosing WP Bakery, however, in some of the pre-made website both options are available, so you have to choose accordingly. Again, we are coming back to the screen. So WP Bakery Page Builder, WooCommerce and WooCommerce Simple Auctions, and rest of plugins are here. Token for multi-vendor is given from the WordPress repository. It is recommended, and WC Vendors Marketplace, WC FM Marketplace. So these are 18 plugins, so it is a big number of plugins, and we have to install at least all required plugins. But since I am showcasing all the features of this theme in this video, I am going to install all the plugins. So all 18 plugins, no, I will leave to install. I will not go install Envato Market, which is not required for me. And Elementor, out of Elementor and WP Bakery, I will install only one. However, I am selecting to install all the plugins except the Envato Market. I am selecting to install all plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any error during the installation process of plugin. And if you are ordering the iBid WordPress theme from the WP Themes website, by following the link given in the description, you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen. So you can watch 17 plugins is being installed, and OpenSSL read connection received by the peer. Okay, so some plugins failed to install, and most of plugins has been installed. And let us see, refresh this screen. Why some plugins pending? So Revolution Slider we can install separately. Okay, let us first activate the installed plugins so that we may take decision for installing rest of plugins accordingly. So I am just activating all the installed plugins, and I am trying to do all this in one go. And I have selected all the installed plugins and now activating in a single click. Another multi-vendor plugin is already activated. Please activate first to install this plugin. Which plugin? It had not been mentioned, so we have to go to plugins, install plugins. So it needs WooCommerce setup to be completed. I am just putting the sample line, and you can put the address and all information applicable for you. I will complete the plugin installation first. As the screen is saying, it needs to be completed WooCommerce installation, so I am doing so. And don't choose this free features, it is not required. And here we need to choose iBid, continue with my active theme. Okay, so we have completed the installation of WooCommerce as well. Now I am coming back to the plugin installation screen, because some plugins are still remaining to be installed, and let us check the install list first. And as I can see, token is already active, so it is for multi-vendor activity. So we cannot activate another multi-vendor marketplace solution for WC marketplace. Since we have activated the token, you can choose either token or either multi-vendor marketplace solution, WC marketplace. So you have to choose. So token is more popular, but however it comes and a certain price if we are choosing to be pro version. However, free version is available, and you have to decide. So token is recommended from my side. So another WC vendor marketplace cannot be activated. WC WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace cannot be activated since we are using the token. WooCommerce has been installed. WP reset is not for you, it is for me. And YNTH WooCommerce can be activated, so we can activate it. So it is just for wish list. And this thing requires following plugins: Slider Revolution. So Slider Revolution should be installed. WP, we are going to install the Elementor, and we are not going to use the demo website using the WP Bakery. So I am first installing the Elementor. However, you can choose to install WP Bakery or Elementor, any of. Why it is not going through? Let us first install the Revolution Slider. We will check the Elementor separately, and installed successfully. Activate. Okay, now in MetaMarket, okay, and out of WP Bakery and Elementor. So let us check the installed plugins. Why it is conflicting Elementor and WP Page Builder. We have to choose Elementor just in case, and I want to check it. So I'll go to the installed plugins. WP Bakery is also not available. Add new. So I'll try to install Elementor separately. So I am hiding nothing. So everything is on the screen. Elementor website builder is here, and I am installing it from here. installed. Now activate. So Elementor alert has gone now, and add-ons for Elementor, this thing recommends. So live mesh we can install. Okay, it is not going, so I will add it separately. Okay, so it was already installed, and now I am activating it. Okay, so we can skip this. Now we have installed all the necessary plugins and activated all the necessary plugins that can be used for this website, and we have all the plugins and along with the theme itself. Now we can recheck the list of plugins, and these are the common alerts. You can skip these alerts, and later we can set up the Dokkan multi-vendor. So for it is no thanks. For now it is no thanks. Okay, and these are the list of plugins that has been installed. 12 plugins are active and 4 are inactive, and Elementor is here, and rest of plugins are here. Okay, so now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and set of plugins. And this is the common look, basic look of iBit WordPress theme, and this is of course without any demo content. And at this stage we may target a demo website like any of these, and for that we need to install the demo content, so we can have any target website like this. So let us proceed towards the installation of demo content, that is importing the demo content. And I will find the option, and this is the theme panel. I will show the theme panel in detail after completing the demo installation. And under the theme panel you will find demo importer option. And so green is good color for this screen, and all things should be green. So just make sure all the necessary recommendation is clear and it is green. If you are having any trouble in the parameters of PHP or memory limit, you need to first rectify and fix those before going for importing the demo content. And okay, so these are the demo options available for import, and since we are using the Elementor, we can choose only the Elementor options. And if you are choosing any option that is not available in Elementor, you need to install the WP Bakery page builder. That is also available in the theme pack, as you have seen in the last stage. Okay, so we can choose any of these websites like Elementor Antique Collection, Elementor Automotive, and I am going to choose Elementor Main Home. Can be good for this demonstration, so I am importing the Elementor Main Home, and that is this website. So Elementor Main Home is this website, so I am importing this one. And okay, so simply click on import demo option, and the import demo data import process is begin, and it is on 0%. Let us have some number here, I mean at least not 0, so that I may confirm you that the demo import is begun. However, this is the stage where most of servers returns error, so you have to make sure that your hosting and server is very good for performing this task, and it is at 0%. Okay, and it should increase now. How we can check it is increasing or not? So just open the media section now and another tab. This can be set as a trick, and I am opening the media library in another tab, and I'll check whether we are getting anything or not. Okay, really we are getting things here. So already 35 media items has been imported, so we can say that is not really 0%. We have to wait on this screen. It may take up to 5 to 10 minutes as it has been set in the heading. So it may take demo import. Every demo import is 5 to 10 minutes. So if import takes longer than 5 minutes, simply reload the page and click again the demo data. Okay, so we will do so, but first of all we have to wait for 5 minutes, and the trick whether it is going or not, simply keep checking the media items. So it is 35 now. It is not increasing, so simply click on the import demo again, just in case if media is not increasing. So I have re-clicked, and now it is increasing. Now it is showing 6%. So this is being the only trick to import the demo data successfully, and now it is increasing, and we have to wait until it goes to 100%. And now the import is complete for me, and it is just the button of import is turned into re-input, and page got refreshed. And okay, so let us see. Yes, so we have got 133 media items in this import. Okay, so now we can check our website, how it looks after the import. I believe we have a good website now. Yes, so main home is here, and similarly you can import any of the pre-made website, and all is here along with the images and all features. So we have complete website here, and it is really very good. So I will show you some pages, and art option is also a page. So so only this home page that we have imported has been given, and about page is here. And about page is yes, and this is having a great look as well. And if we talk about blog pages, so all pages are here. So I'll show you how many pages we got in this demo, and after that I will show you all these options what we got in this installation. Okay, so we have got 59 pages and 57 are published. So all necessary pages for this particular selected home page, I mean the pre-made website, is available here, and we can use all these pages to our website as required after changing the text and content. Okay, so now since we have completed the installation along with the demo content, I will show you the items that we got in this installation. So theme panel I have to show you in detail. Meanwhile I will also check what we got additional. So empty testimonials are here, so I will show you what is here. So testimonial part is being controlled from the testimonial section, and this is being the testimonial page. So you can use the testimonial section for adding testimonials. Empty members is similarly is additional thing at this WordPress installation, and empty members is for adding members profile and all these things. and is similarly empty mega menu. Contact form has been Docken is especially for the multi-vendor facility, and you need to configure the complete Docken activity. So this is another setting, and you need to have complete setup for using the Docken. And this is the Docken dashboard, and you need to go for setting the Docken for multi-vendor facility, and you need to put all these credentials. So this can be done at your end as an required. So you can get another videos on YouTube how to set up the Docken. I am not going to explain in this video. And WooCommerce is here, products and all such common things. Liveness add-on is just a thing if you want to use. So I believe it is not being used, so it is some settings. So if required, you can open this, and WP Bakery add-ons are here. So now finally I will show you the theme panel, what we got in the theme panel, or you can say the control panel of iBid WordPress theme. This is the control panel, and this is the general setting, which is showing breadcrumb at very first. So you can control breadcrumb. Sidebar, a styling setting, you can change the complete color, background color, and also things from here. And custom CSS you can use. Colors you can control, typography you can control, so you can choose your font and sizes. Responsive typography, so you have to set custom CSS, form fields, and header settings. So you have multiple header to choose with, and you can set rest of the things here. You can put logo and the fav icon here. So this is important setting that you need to do. And mobile setting, footer setting, footer top, footer bottom, that is copyright text and all things. Back on top option, contact setting, so default information can be changed, blog settings, shop auction settings. So this is important screen since being an auction website. Shop archives, product single, product fundraising mode, just in case if you are using the fundraising premium website, 404 page. Pop-up settings, so pop-up setting you can put the credentials here. Social media, demo importer we have already used, and import or export options. So these are the basic setting, and the most advanced setting available in the iBid WordPress theme, and we have complete control on our website. In spite of this, you might have certain questions regarding this theme, installation process, customization, and any such things. So just feel free to contact us through the link given in the description of this video, so that the pro developers may help you in customizing your website, in fulfilling your requirements, and you can definitely get the theme along with the hosting plan, whatever you want. Just follow the link given in the description of this video. And I believe I have shown each and everything about the iBid multi-vendor WooCommerce WordPress theme. So in the next video I am coming with the great WordPress theme, and keep watching, keep building, and thanks for watching.